Wouldn't you like to recover space in the warehouse and reduce stock among many other parts that make up the solar mounting systems? And finding a solution to those endless requests that waste time and resources in preparation and complicate transport for your customers. A small error in an order can mean the interruption of an installation and, as a consequence, the permanent loss of a good customer. The choice is in your hands. Choose the Sunfer kit and reduce stock drastically, thanks to the inclusion of all the components of the installation in the same box. In addition, you'll put an end to endless orders, avoiding errors and delays that affect your business. At the same time, your customers will benefit from better handling and transportation, allowing them to arrive early at the installation and get to work. In addition, the installation is very simple. Open the Sunfer kit, scan the QR code, and check the installation guide. Fold out the pre-assembled triangles and screw them to the floor. Join the guiding profiles, fix the bracing at the rear, and finally, place the photovoltaic modules on the profiles and fit the side and central clamps. Installation finished in record time. Sunfer, the assembly kit that will provide you with structural improvements with greater benefits. Don't think twice. Provide your customers with the best assembly. Happy customer. Another kit sold and installed. Sunfer, the assembly kits that provide solutions.